Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC B0028-13 indicates an open circuit or increased resistance within the front passenger's side airbag inflator circuit of the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. This code is pivotal because the airbag system's functional integrity is essential for passenger safety. In the event of a collision, the front passenger's airbag is designed to deploy to mitigate injury. Thus, any malfunction in its system can compromise this safety feature. The inflator is located in the front passenger seat, and it plays a vital role in the deployment of the airbag when necessary. When the system detects an issue, it triggers this DTC to alert the technician that further investigation is needed into the specific components connected to the airbag inflator circuit. Addressing such issues promptly is crucial to ensure that the airbag system will operate correctly when needed. But the error associated with DTC B0028-13 denotes either an open circuit or increased resistance in the front passenger side airbag inflator. The airbag inflator is a critical component located in the front passenger seat, designed to produce gas that inflates the airbag upon deployment in a collision. Increased resistance often suggests that there may be a poor connection or a faulty wire leading to the inflator, which can hamper its ability to deploy effectively. An open circuit indicates that there is a broken connection somewhere in the wiring or components, rendering the airbag system inactive. A malfunction in this area poses significant risks during an accident, as it can lead to a non-deploying airbag. Consequently, diagnosing and addressing this issue is paramount for ensuring passenger safety in the Honda Odyssey. Several factors can lead to the triggering of DTC B0028-13. One possible cause is wiring damage, such as frayed or broken wires that may disrupt the electrical flow necessary for the airbag inflator to operate. Another potential cause is a faulty airbag inflator itself, which may not function correctly regardless of the wiring condition. Improper installation of any components can also contribute to this issue. If parts were not installed correctly post-collision repair, it may lead to increased resistance or an open circuit. Understanding these potential causes is crucial for technicians as they systematically troubleshoot the airbag system to identify and rectify the fault. Safeguarding the integrity of the airbag system ensures it operates effectively when needed. The symptoms associated with DTC B0028-13 can manifest as an airbag warning light on the dashboard. This light serves as an alert that there is a fault within the airbag system, prompting further investigation. Another critical symptom is the failure of the airbag to inflate during a collision, which poses a significant safety risk to passengers. In some cases, there may be intermittent airbag issues, such as sporadic warnings or performance discrepancies. Understanding these symptoms helps technicians and vehicle owners recognize that the airbag system requires immediate attention. Promptly addressing these symptoms can prevent potential safety concerns during vehicle operation, reinforcing the importance of regular system checks. The first step in addressing DTC B0028-13 is to clear the diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. The HDS is a specialized tool that communicates directly with the vehicle's onboard computer to access error codes and various data. Clearing the DTCs serves multiple purposes. It resets the airbag system and clears the error memory, creating a clean slate for further diagnostics. After clearing, it is crucial to perform a secondary check for DTCs to see if the B0028-13 reappears. If it does not return, it may indicate an intermittent failure, suggesting that the system is operational at that moment. This step lays the groundwork for more detailed troubleshooting by ensuring that persistent errors are present before conducting further tests. Following the clearance of the DTCs, the next step is to turn the ignition switch to the on position, or alternatively, press the engine start-stop button to switch to the on mode. This action powers the vehicle's electrical systems, allowing for the diagnostic equipment to function properly. Waiting 10 seconds after turning on the ignition is crucial, as it provides time for the vehicle's onboard systems to run initial self-check procedures. Once this is done, technicians will proceed to check for the presence of any DTCs again. This step helps in determining if the original issue persists or if the airbag system has returned to normal functioning, thereby evaluating the initial troubleshooting progress. The third step involves performing another check for DTCs using the HDS. This step is essential to identify whether DTC B0028-13 is still present after the initial tests. If the DTC reappears, it indicates that further investigation is necessary, suggesting that the issue persists within the Airbag Inflator circuit. Conversely, if no DTC is indicated, it may imply an intermittent failure, and the system might be functioning correctly at that moment. If another DTC is shown, technicians will shift their focus to diagnosing the new error code. This systematic approach is vital in ensuring that the airbag system is restored to full functionality and safety is not compromised. After checking for DTCs and assessing whether the B0028-13 is still active, the next step is to turn the ignition switch to the lock position. Powering down the systems is critical prior to any disconnection from the battery or airbag modules. This step helps prevent accidental deployment of the airbag during further diagnostics or repairs, ensuring technician safety throughout the process. It also protects the vehicle's electrical systems from potential spikes or disruptions when the battery is being disconnected. Implementing proper shutdown procedures is an essential part of safety protocols when working on airbag systems. The fifth step is to disconnect the negative cable from the battery. This action is crucial because it completely shuts off the electrical supply to the vehicle, ensuring that no power is reaching the airbag system during testing. It is essential to wait at least 3 minutes following the disconnection. This waiting period allows any residual voltage to dissipate, further safeguarding against accidental airbag deployment or electrical shocks. Following proper protocols when working on SRS, supplemental restraint system components, is vital for technician safety and effective troubleshooting. In the sixth step, the technician must disconnect the front passenger side airbag inflator 4P connector. This connector is a critical link between the airbag and the vehicle's wiring harness. Disconnecting it prevents any potential issues during testing. The inflator is located in the area of the front passenger seat, and accessing this connector is essential for further diagnosis of the airbag circuit. Care must be taken to handle this component gently to avoid causing further damage. Proper disconnection procedures will enable the technician to thoroughly investigate the circuit for faults without the risk of accidental deployment or short circuits. Care must be taken to handle this component gently to avoid causing further damage. Proper disconnection procedures will enable the technician to thoroughly investigate the circuit for faults without the risk of accidental deployment or short circuits. The seventh step involves connecting the SRS simulator lead K to the SRS inflator simulator. This simulator serves as a replacement diagnostic tool designed to provide a known good signal to the airbag system. By connecting it to the front passenger side airbag inflator 4P connector, technicians can simulate the presence of a functioning inflator. This method aids in determining whether the issue lies within the inflator itself or elsewhere in the circuit. Successful integration of the simulator allows for efficient testing without the need for the actual airbag inflator, thus keeping repairs controlled and focused. In this step, the technician will reconnect the negative cable to the battery. This action restores power to the vehicle's electrical systems, allowing for further diagnostic functionality. By enabling the systems, the technician prepares to run further tests as required. This step is crucial as it readies the vehicle for assessment under simulated conditions with the SRS simulator connected. Care is taken to ensure that all connections are secure to avoid any disruptions during the testing phase. Once the power is restored, the technician can confidently move forward with the next troubleshooting steps. The 9th troubleshooting step is to clear the diagnostic trouble codes once again using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. By repeating this process, the technician can evaluate if any new codes emerge after the simulator connection and power restoration. This is a crucial diagnostic step as it determines whether the simulated setup is functioning correctly or if the DTC B0028-13 persists in indicating an ongoing issue. If the DTC clears, it may signify that the wiring and connections to the inflator are good, but further investigation is still warranted to confirm full system readiness. This step assists in validating the effectiveness of previous troubleshooting efforts and provides direction for the next phases. Finally, the ignition is turned back to the on position once again. This step allows the onboard diagnostic systems to initiate their self-checks and verify if the airbag system now operates as expected. Waiting for the systems to complete these checks is imperative, as it gives the technician insight into whether any issues have been resolved. If the DTC B0028-13 does not reappear, it may indicate the airbag inflator circuit is functioning properly under the current conditions. However, if the DTC returns, additional diagnosis is warranted to explore deeper issues or concerns within the SRS unit. This concluding step encapsulates the previous troubleshooting procedures and reinforces the importance of ongoing system verification. After conducting all previous troubleshooting steps, it is crucial to verify the repairs made by ensuring no diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, are present. This provides a clear indication that the airbag inflator circuit is functioning properly and that the system has no underlying issues. It's also recommended to execute tests for airbag deployment functionality, confirming that the airbag will deploy correctly if needed. This thorough verification step is essential, not only for confirming the success of the repairs, but also for maintaining overall passenger safety. Following this procedure is essential to give peace of mind that all safety systems are operational. If any issues are still present, it's necessary to reevaluate the previously assessed components. Preventive maintenance is a vital aspect to ensure the longevity and reliability of the supplemental restraint system, SRS, in the Honda Odyssey. Regular inspection of SRS components, including seatbelt systems, airbag modules, and wiring integrity, can help to identify issues before they become serious problems. It's also important to stay updated on the latest SRS software versions to ensure that all components are compatible and functioning optimally. Timely updates can promote better communication within the vehicle systems, helping prevent possible misfires or false DTCs. Proactively maintaining these systems not only enhances safety, but also extends the operational life of the vehicle's airbag systems. Such diligence contributes overall to the safety of occupants. In summary, DTC B0028-13 is a critical error code indicating possible issues with the front passenger side airbag inflator circuit. Understanding the implications of this code emphasizes the importance of thorough and systematic troubleshooting to ensure passenger safety. Each step, from clearing codes to verification after repairs, reinforces the necessity for diligence in diagnostics. The outlined troubleshooting processes serve as a guideline to effectively resolve issues related to airbag deployment, ultimately fostering a safer driving environment. By adhering to preventive maintenance practices, owners can ensure their Honda Odyssey operates reliably and safely. Prioritizing vehicle safety through proactive measures not only protects the driver and passengers, but fortifies overall road safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.